Hello and welcome back from inside the RV. We don't go in here too much because it's it's usually a little bit of a mess. But somebody might be actually touring it later today. So I thought I'd clean things up, and while it's clean, maybe we'll take a little peek around. So, let's see here. I guess we'll just start up front here at the cab. I just have this little privacy curtain across here right now. So it's so bright out. And up above there is an overhead bed, which I just mainly use for storage. Overhead storage here. Typical RV arrangement. Dinette and little workstation over here. There was 2 lounge chairs there, but I took the one out I needed some room in here to have the generator in here. And let's see here. Yeah, I know the sunlight's making this camera dark. Let's get over here. There, I did put a new refrigerator in this machine. And pantry, and over here, and stove, and under the sink cabinets, microwave, and me and my mirror. The corner bathroom. It does have a door here for privacy if needed. The corner bed. It's a wonder Bella hasn't jumped up here. I can't even come back and make the bed without her jumping up. Where is Bella? Bella! Where is Bella? See, sometimes I like just to lay up here. Huh. That's what I'm doing this morning. Huh. And I'm going to stretch. See, that's why Bella isn't always in every video. Sometimes she's just in here doing dog things. Like napping and stuff. Come on, come on. And there she is. Huh. Hi, Bella. Hi, Bella. Just in here being good. That's what I do. That's what I do best. So. Anyway, we have a little unfinished mission from last video. We was going to go find that stone house, remember? Alright. Yeah, this RTR thing is wrapping up and it's beginning to thin out. There is quite a variety of vehicles here. So we have that little bit of a mission to try to see if we can finish up, and then we'll get back down here to the RV and see what else we can get into. We're gonna go find that stone cabin, and Bella's back at the RV. She's well fed, watered. It's a cool morning. The windows are open, a nice breeze. She's been walked a couple of times. She'd be in good shape. She's probably ready for her to take a little nap. So about where we're at is, actually we flew the drone from down there yesterday. The RTR is down there. Just beyond it is the town of Quartzsite. Way over there, that might be a bit far, is Interstate 10. So, and behind me, we're about halfway or so to those mountains where the drone ran out of range. It wouldn't. I told the further we could get. So we're about halfway to the mountains, and this little road here, I'm guessing is going to weasel on in between them somehow. And I'm back probably for another mile maybe. So I'm pretty sure we'll find it. So here, I forget what these cactuses are called. Starts with a C. C-O-N. Concas or cons? I don't know what they are. But look, they almost look like they're illuminated. You know? These are my favorite cactuses of all that I've seen in my travels. There's some over there, and they're scattered about pretty nice. Anyway, let's see if we can find that thing. This spot is probably worthy of stopping and looking. There's a, not sure what that would have been over there. Let me see if I can zoom in. But it's like a dugout, and there's, obviously somebody, made a little bit of stone, some kind of stone structure there. Okay, cut. That went bad real fast. People just started showing up all of a sudden. 2 Jeeps and 6 quads. I mean, I didn't even get a chance to get my camera out. Current federal mining claim. So don't be caught out here with your, little pick and your portable sleuth and be thinking you're digging for anything, because you'd be getting yourself in some big trouble. Alright, so there we go. Check out this little guy. Wee little baby ones over here. This one has some flowers. I guess that's what those are on the end. Okay, help me out here. What are these called again? Sagaris or Sagaro cactuses? These big tall ones? I don't know. Let's have a look up there. Those things are pretty big. Pretty nice desert, huh? Beautiful, beautiful out here. So that's it. The RTR is winding down. People will be leaving and, running out of their 14-day permit and be having to move on anyway. As will I and Bella. So I don't know where we're heading to next. We'll have to give that a little bit of thought. In the meantime, gonna get back down to the RV and maybe get some lunch. And we'll go from there. So if you like coming along on these little adventures, large or small, if you like coming along, and thanks for coming along today. Click on the subscribe thing and give the video a thumbs up and comment, like, share, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna head back down to the RV and see what we can conjure up next. So till next time, I'll see you.